Hello guys, welcome back again to my kitchen. In today's video I'll be showing you how I make this plantain flour. I have uploaded part 1 already, so guys go to my video and check for part 1. So this is going to be our part 2. With no further ado, let's prepare our flour. As I said, this is the part 2 of the how to prepare your oat flour. I uploaded the part 1 already, which I uploaded on my YouTube shorts. Unfortunately, when I was uploading it, it just went straight to shorts. So guys, go and check this out. So this is the 4, 3, 2, 1 of this plantain. So if you have watched up to this moment, please guys go ahead to subscribe, go ahead to share, and go ahead to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for coming. If you are new here, you are welcome. Thank you so much. This is day 5, guys. Day 5. So guys, after day 5, our plantain is very dry. So I use the sunlight to dry it. You can use your oven, you can use your air fryer to dry that. So in here I just went ahead to put everything together because we are going to be blending this plantain. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video. Thank you so much. So these are all the plantain that we were able to get. Now I'll be using a strong blender, ninja blender. If you don't have a strong blender, you can go ahead to break it into pieces before using any blender. I would recommend that you use strong blender like ninja blender or Bucci Miss blender or any other blender that you have that is very strong. But if you don't have all these blender I just list, all what you need to do is to go ahead to break them into pieces first before you use a blender to blend this up. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe, share and like. So after I have finished blending everything, I just went ahead to just feel it to see how smooth it is. And guys, it was so smooth. It was so smooth. So I just went ahead to pour it into my container. So this is the container I will be using to store the flour. You can use the flour to make fufu, you can use the flour to make plantain bread, you can use the flour to make anything. So this is all that we got from that plantain. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.